There is currently $3.2 trillion in 401k assets. And when you look at who owns those 401k assets, over 60% of that $3.2 trillion is owned by people in their 50s and in their 60s. These are people that are approaching retirement within not too long of a horizon. Now, let's talk a little bit about 401ks. If you're talking with a consumer about their 401k plan, it is possible that there could be two different extremes in that 401k plan. There can be mutual funds that could expose the client to the downs of the market, for example, the respective market, but there can also be money market accounts or stable value accounts, for example. Many times they don't keep pace with inflation. This is where I want to talk with you about something called age-based in-service withdrawals. Age-based in-service withdrawals are actually offered by about 90% of defined contribution plans. And the way that they work is typically like this. Even if you are still employed with your employer and have a 401k plan, if you are age 59 and a half or older, you can take all or a part of your 401k plan and directly roll that over to Genworth, for example, as an IRA. Now again, it's 90% of the plans out there allow for this, but keep in mind it is plan specific and the consumer needs to check with their plan administrator. Now, why would one want to move all or a portion of their 401k over as an IRA to an index annuity? Consider this. The tallest point on Earth is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is over 29,000 feet in the air. Now, if you were to set out to climb Mount Everest, what is typically the goal when you set out to climb Mount Everest? It's to hit the summit, right? Thousands of people have tried to climb Mount Everest. Thousands of people have been successful hitting the summit. However, many people who hit the summit did not make it down. Shouldn't there be two different goals that those climbers have? The first goal being to hit the summit and the second goal being to make it down the other side of the mountain safely. So a lot like how those mountain climbers need to have two goals, so do the retirees, the future retirees. Yes, they need to hit that summit and have a certain amount of money, a comfortable amount of money once they hit retirement. But in addition to that, they need to be able to get down the other side of the mountain. They need to have some income that will last them for the rest of their lives. And this is one of the benefits, potential benefits, of doing an age-based in-service withdrawal. Imagine if you were able to talk with a client about moving a portion of their money or all of their 401k money into a secure living index annuity with the optional income protection rider. What are you able to do for that client? You're able to tell that client that they can have guaranteed income that they cannot outlive and thus get down the other side of the mountain safely.